Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully wherever you are staying dry. It is literally flooding everywhere where I live. But we are outside of Meijer today, and Meijer has almost the same ad as last week, but they're advertising a lot of online deals. So you'll say, like, for example, you'll save $3 when you buy this they're all about like $15 frozen food item, and for like free pickup or free I think it's free home delivery, you have to spend only $35. So that's almost half of your order right there. So if you do pick up a lot, those are, I think there's like 8 options, so that might be something to look at. There's a couple other like spend deals that I'm going to mention in store. Also, I want to cannot remember for the life of me, but last week whoever mentioned about the spend 100 deal, you don't have to, or it's like spend 100 before coupons. I think it's the Catalina. Thank you so much. I did run back the day after, and there's 2 people at customer service, and one of them's like, oh, did you do the spend 100? Because I literally was like, oh, I didn't get a coupon that was supposed to print at checkout once like I purchased stuff. And the guy just kind of stared at me like, another person jumped in. She's like, oh, did you do this deal or this deal? And I'm like, yeah, that's so odd that you know that. And she's like, oh, they weren't working until about noon that day. And I'm like, oh, that's interesting if you're gonna be promoting these deals. She's like, yeah, it's been like that for a while. They just can't get their stuff together every time they do these deals. So I'll try to remember the look, but I just thank you so much. Also, quick puppy update. My puppy got fixed last Thursday. He's not letting him heal well, so we had to go to the vet yesterday. Love that, because they're like, oh, well, are you letting him get at it? Well, and I told them, I was like, oh, his cone is too short, like he can push it up, like up his neck or whatever, and he can get at it. And they're like, well, the cone's the right size. Well, clearly it's too short. But they're like, well, do you have another dog? Is your other dog getting at it? Are you letting him calm down? Are you making sure he doesn't play? And I'm like, yes. Like he's on medication to make him sleepy. It's like calming medication. I forget what it's like, trazodone, something like that, whatever. And I'm like, dude, he literally sleeps like all the time. He's that tired because of that medication. So he's not playing, he's not running around. I was like, my other dog, like he listens, he's very obedient. So when I tell him not to play or like not to do anything, like he listens very well. So I was like, I think it's the cone, like the cone's not the right size. They're like, well, it looks like it's infected now, and we're gonna give you antibiotics. We have to send it out to make sure we're giving you the right antibiotics, and here's some more pain medicine. And I'm like, cool. So yeah, pray for me, guys, because I don't have the right cone. I don't know, like I tried to look on Amazon to order like a donut thing, but it's gonna, like, even though I have Prime, the ones that would fit him are gonna be like 4 days to get here. I don't understand why, if Amazon's having problems with certain things, or it's not at the local warehouse or what have you. So I'm like, that's cool. And he's supposed, like, so he has puppy class too, and he's supposed to be graduating on on Saturday, and he's supposed to be able to do 2 tricks and all this other stuff, and we haven't been able to practice it because he's supposed to stay calm and not do all that. So I think I paid all this money for him to do puppy class, and now he won't be able to graduate, so he'll have to repeat it if I want to go on further. It's just been really stressful lately for me. But yeah, sorry for venting. I just needed to vent to someone. But thanks guys for listening. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. All right, right off the bat, we have a coupon alert. So be on the lookout for this $3 off of 2 Tom's of Maine items. It's for deodorant or toothpaste, it looks like. So if you like this product, I mean, we normally get digital coupons all the time for this, but I think it doesn't cover the deodorant. I don't really look at this deal because I don't really like the Tom's of Maine personally. So, but just be on the lookout if you do. We have a really good deal on the Pure Silk shaving cream. This week they're buy one get one free, which is a decent deal on its own. But if you clip the dollar coupon from last week and didn't use it, you can grab 2 of them for just $1.75. Now I do want to preface by saying that the coupon is no longer available to clip, and Meijer is one of those stores that will just take coupons away. Like, there's no clip amount that I'm aware of, but if it matches with a deal, they'll pull the coupon. But if you have it clipped, they usually won't pull it from your account. Select Dial body wash is on promotion, 2 for $7. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a men's Dial body wash and then a woman's Dial body wash, and your total will be 2 for $7. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon, so you pay $6. Then you'll submit to Ibotta. We have 50 cents for the women's and then 50 cents on the men's body wash. So we'll make it 2 for $5 or $2.50 per bottle. Over in the trial and travel section, they have these Ollie Stress trial size, travel size. They're half off at $2.12. Unfortunately, that's the cheapest. I've seen them in a while. I'm gonna grab one of these. Clearly, I need it this week, and next week's gonna be really busy. So I actually kind of like these. So there's the beginning of clearance on hair accessories. There's quite a few over here, a couple different brushes, but mostly like claw clips. I think that's what they're called, or a few hair ties, but mostly like the clippy thingies. Easter items are so cheap right now. These 2 pair of socks, 60 cents. They're too small for me, unfortunately, but still. Okay, the Easter area is packed, but I grabbed one of these bunnies. They're like originally $7 and they're like 72 cents now. So I think that's worth it. You guys, I'm so happy and thankful I was able to grab the 24 count and max out that deal on Fetch last week, because I saw posted there was a, like, I think it was on Instagram, someone had posted that they changed the offer and they had ordered it on Amazon, and like it was a limit of 1. And I'm like, oh, thank goodness I grabbed it. But then it reset on my Fetch account, but it's very specific now. You can grab the 4 count of the puree, or you can grab the single count of the, what is it? This guy? No, the Biscay. So, of course, I'm going to grab the more expensive one. So I'm going to be grabbing one of these Fresh Pet cat bags for $6.49. I have a 50% just for you coupon, so I'm going to be saving 50% on this. And my older cat loves this, so I feel it's definitely worth it for me. All right, this week Meijer put out a really great savings on things we normally don't get laundry savings on here. So it's spend $25, it will get $5 off. And it includes Persil Purex, all Snuggle, and Select Dial hand soaps. Just for a quick, easy example, we're going to be grabbing one of these Persil Ultra Packs. This is the 42 count. It is on sale for $12.99. Then you're going to come grab one of these all free and clear Mighty Packs. This is the 60 count. It's on sale for $15.99. Grabbing these 2 products, your total will be $28.98. So we'll automatically get the $5 off because we're above the $25 mark. For the Persil, we have a $3 digital coupon, and then for the all, we have a $1 digital coupon. So after all 3 items come off, we'll be left to pay $19.98 at the register. Then we'll take our receipt and submit it to Ibotta. For the Persil, we have $3. Then for the all free and clear, we have $4, making both of these just $12.98. So they're well over half off. Is this the best deal? Personally, I don't think so, but this might be a stock up price for you. My stock up price and your stock up price will probably always be different. Y'all see what I see? We have some Swiffer products that are 25% clearance. Looks like we have the duster, a couple of the duster products, and then quite a few things actually for the power mop. like I've said it before in the past, I'm not a fan of the Power Mop. I've used it. I didn't purchase it, but I used it once and I just didn't really like it. But if you have one, you can save definitely 25% off. And I think there's a $2 digital coupon that might work for some of this stuff. Alright guys, the newest thing that came out, Febreze made their own trash holder, which is, I guess it's cool because trash usually do stink. And this is $6.39. They have a couple different scents, it looks like. I personally don't really get stinky trash that often, so that's not a product that I personally use, but this might be something for you. If you need to stock up on Kleenex, we have really good savings on this. So Kleenex right now is spend $15, get $5 off. That's a Meijer store coupon, but you can stack that with any any manufacturer coupons. I think we only have $1 off one for the larger packs, but still it is that time of year in between seasons where people get sick a lot, so you can grab these Wonder brown sugar cinnamon donut sticks. They're on clearance for $1.44. Or grab these Wonder pecan cinnamon twists, $1.89. We have 50 cents that works on Ibotta for both products, making them 50 cents cheaper. So $1.39 or 96 cents, 94 cents. This brand of olive oil, I can never say it right, but they have their normal buy one get one free olive oil sale, which is really great if you cook a lot or use this oil a lot. And you can mix and match between different flavors. If you need some barbecue sauce, they have some clearance going on. This pig leg porker has a few different ones. This rib rack barbecue, where we have a few 4-6s or one of the Kinders, or it looks like there's this brand or this sticky fingers one, but definitely some great savings. Nor pasta sides are on sale for $5. We do have $1 off of 4 digital coupon, making them $1 per bag. This is definitely one of my favorite deals, but that's because I actually really like these. So it's on the Knorr rice cups. They're $2.69. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them both $2.69. Great deal on instant potatoes. You're gonna grab these newer Idahoan protein potatoes. They're $2.29 for the package, so they're almost double this price, but we have a buy one get one free digital coupon for these, making them $2.29 for 2 packages. We have a great deal on these new Cheez-It Crunch. So there you have 3 different flavors. They have sharp white cheddar, zesty jalapeno cheddar, the kickin' nacho cheese. I think I saw this flavor at Walmart, but they are 2 for $6. We have $1 digital coupon. Now I did find dollar peelies at Walmart too, but if you don't have one of those, you'll pay the $5 at the register. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each package, making them $3 for both packages. Almost all 12 packs of soda are still buy 2 get 1 free, and most of them are $8.99. But do you see what I see? I love Mountain Dew, right? They have Dirty Mountain Dew, which is a cream soda Mountain Dew. So I really want to grab it, but I don't really need soda right now. So if any of y'all have tried it, and if it's good, let me know. These larger bottles of Propel, I don't know what size they are. They're 3 for $5. We have $1 digital coupon, making them 3 for $4, and they're usually like $2.50 per bottle. So I think this is a really good deal. You can grab these Oikos remixes. I prefer the s'mores one. I think it's really good. They're $1.49. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them both $1.49. Select frozen Tyson chicken are buy one get one 40% off, so you can grab some great savings on chicken this week. Select DiGiorno pizzas are 2 for $9. I really like this deal. I think it's a really great price because they're originally like $6.50 per pizza. Or if you prefer the Latza Matza pizzas, they're on sale for $6.99, and we have $1 digital coupon off of each one, so make them $5.99 for each one. We have a pretty good savings on these Sweet Lauren cookies if it's something that you like. So you're going to grab 3 of them. They're $7.49 each, but you'll pay for only 2 because we have a buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon. So your total will be $14.98 to pay at the register. You'll submit to ibotta. We have $1.50 back on each package, making them $10.48 for all 3 packages. Meijer brand small pack chicken products, buy 1 get 1 50% off this week. Meijer brand packaged pork chops are buy 1 get 1 for $1. The Wright brand bacon is on sale for $7.99, so you're saving quite a bit of money per package. Oscar Mayer deli meat, so like this pound package is on sale too for $12. That's not bad for deli meat. Y'all, I messed up. I saw the Dole salads were on sale for $2.69. I thought it was the kits, not the like sometimes it's both on sale, sometimes it's only one, and I realized this time when I got over here it was just the blends that were on sale. So I'm not gonna be able to do the deal I wanted. Y'all, today is my lucky day, so this is actually what I was gonna grab. Look. I grabbed 2 of these because I plan on grabbing 2 and eating 1 for lunch today and 1 for lunch tomorrow because I have some chicken nuggets at home that I was going to use. But look at this, $1.12. The deal I was going to do isn't this cheap, and like it's not bad looking. So this is definitely a win for me. All right, y'all, this is everything I'm grabbing this week. So let's go check out. All right, we're back in from checkout, and like I said in the beginning of the video, shout out to whoever told me about the Catalina for the spend 100 deal for last week, because I used a gift card that I got today. So let's go through my receipt. I grabbed everything in the basket that I showed you. So the first thing we have is the shaving cream. You can see they ring in, and then we have $1 off of 1, and then $2.75 because they were buy 1 get 1 free. Then we have the, what is that? Oh, the Ollie gummies that are on clearance for $2.12. Then we have the Greek yogurt. The free price came off, the $1.49. Then we have the Propel. And you can see they took off the $1 coupon, and then what is it? 93 cents off of each bottle to make it the correct price. Then we have the Nor rice cups, and you can see the free item coupon did ring in. Then we have the cat treats, the Sheba product, full price, no coupons. Then we have the refrigerated cat food, and you can see the 50% only for you coupon came off. Then we have, also forgot to screenshot that. I just realized that now. Sorry, guys. Then we have the Easter candy, and you can see it was $7. Like, for this, I mean, I guess it's a little heavy. It's only 3.5 ounces. How is this $7? There's plenty more of the candy, but I only need 1. Like, let's be real, guys. 72 cents isn't bad either. Then we have the Dole salad kits. $1.12. $1.15, whatever it was. $1.12. Like I said, I planned on grabbing 2 of them. Then they were gonna be like, I didn't even do the math on that. Hold on. $4.13 for both. So like $2.07 roughly each. So I got them a lot cheaper than what I planned on grabbing them for, which is so amazing. And like I said, does the salad look perfect? Absolutely not. But like, I'm gonna eat one today, right? Like in like 2 hours, and then I'm gonna eat one tomorrow. So like, yeah. So before tax, my total was about $21. I submitted to Fetch for the $2.99 for the cat treats. Then I also used that gift card for the $10, making my haul a lot cheaper, less than $10, which is fantastic. For all the stuff I got, I think that's a really great savings. So hopefully, I think, yeah. depending on what you guys need, like, I hope you can grab some phenomenal savings like I did. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.